Hello, welcome to this update. So, we'll talk about the tropics first and then about some systems impacting the US later, cold fronts and stuff. So, let's see Australia now because we have that tropical cyclone or tropical storm there impacting northern Australia, the Gulf of Carpentaria. So the GFS has this a little bit strong, too strong I think, but it's now a tropical storm. You might get to hurricane strength. So please be safe there and take the measures to be safe. And then the remnants of the cyclone will bring rain there, parts of Australia. And now in Oceania, there's another disturbance over Fiji that might form into a cyclone. It even shows they're forming into a tropical depression or storm just south of Tonga and Fiji. There's this pretty big low pressure system, maybe not tropical, but it's pretty big, but it stays out in the ocean there. I don't see it heading to anywhere. There's another system maybe bringing some rain to New Zealand, but not tropical I think. And some more tropical moisture in the Coral Sea might turn into some other tropical storms or tropical depressions later near New Caledonia and Queensland. So we'll keep monitoring this. Let's see the Indian Ocean. So we have that small tropical depression there near the coast of Australia. It's not showing signs of making landfall, but it's very weak. The GFS has this strengthening, but let's see, but it won't make landfall. There aren't any more big system forecasts for the Indian Ocean at this time. Just some tropical rains in Madagascar and Africa, so always be aware. Let's just see with the euro now. The Australian cyclone there to see if it has a different. So it also has the cyclone there making landfall, a little bit weaker than the GFS, but still a big system. There's not much difference from the Euro, the GFS. They both have this like 970 millibars making landfall. Could be a category 1 or 2 in the US scale. So please be safe there. So this is the page from Australia here. They have the cyclone warnings there for northern Australia, and they have some more details here. Hazards, so be aware of damaging gusts, destructive winds, and heavy rainfall and flooding, and they have some recommendations here. Okay, so please be safe and warn others there. So now let's take a look at the US. Poof. Let's see, because it shows another system maybe affecting the southeast. So now it shows this system the northeast, bringing snow there to Canada and the northeast. More systems in the Pacific Northwest, some more snow there. A little bit of rain in Florida maybe, around March 10th or something, but then I think this is Sunday, yes. Sunday here, there's another system in the south there, might bring some storms and severe weather, and later some rain to Florida. Then this leaves on Monday. Then next week there's this big system showing up. It has a lot of ice all around it and snow behind it and a lot of rain front. Might bring some big severe weather this. Then the snow and ice continue affecting Canada there in the northeast, and the rain and severe weather go to the coast. And some big rain for Florida and the northern Caribbean too. But this is the GFS and it's 1 week out, so take this as a grain of salt. So let's just see what the euro has. I don't think this euro here goes that far, but let's just take a look. Has the storms and rain on Sunday there around the Gulf states and around the Bahamas there, and then it goes out. But this zero here doesn't go far out. I don't know why, but we'll keep monitoring that system that showed on the GFS, and let's take a look at the Caribbean because of this next cold front. So it has some more rain, especially around Sunday, affecting Cuba and the Bahamas, and this low pressure system tracks up the Carolinas there, so that's a pretty interesting system. Might bring a lot of rain and stuff there, be aware. And then this cold front continues bringing rain to parts of the northeastern Caribbean there, so be aware. Then those other systems in US. So, and then when is this? Saturday, Sunday? Actually, this thing that I'm showing you, it's next Saturday. So this system will affect Florida and the Caribbean probably next Saturday. So Friday and Saturday, and that system of the Carolinas there. So be aware of this, and thanks for watching. Stay safe.